Hello everyone, this is Victory. I am in the workshop. Today we got 2 units of the CD Purlin machine which is ready in the workshop. One is ready and another one is under fabrication. The product which coming from this assembly machine will be C Perlin, U Perlin and Z Perlin. The thickness can be up to 3 mm. The width of purlin can reach up to 300 and the height can reach up to 100. Somehow it's very standard CD purlin machine. So since it's under fabrication, it will be more interesting for me to show about how we do the assemble. Firstly, the machine body frame will be well machined. It's from the cutting the raw material and do the welding. After that, we will do the surface milling, and this surface is well machined. And this place is good for pillar assemble. It's also well machined, as this plate will be mounted with the custom pillar and move on the rail to get different height, widths of the CD purlin. And in this unit, the both sides can move. So in this side, we can get different height. And this unit is not ready yet, but we can imagine in the we can imagine that this unit will be good for punching. Since in the CD purlin we have a different punching pattern, so this place is good for punching and flat cutting. So this unit, this in front unit will be good enough for feeding. So and for changing the different widths of the pillar stand, we will use this kind of the joints, umbrella gear joints, and with servo motor. Okay, a lot of places, a lot of small pieces will be categorized according to the drawing, from the nuts, from the spacer, from the roller, shaft. This is shaft. This is the roller from each station together with different spacer. The first step is just for categorize the parts to make sure every part will be good enough for assemble. So this is our workers did. How many pieces of the bearing, this kind of small parts. This is about process for assemble. And this kind of the elevator lift will good for changing the different gap of the roller. Roller with mark. Then you can check it back from your drawing. The roller belongs to which station, which place. You can check it back in drawing. For CD machine, actually it's what we are specialized. And if you have this kind of the machine or demand, you can come to us, and we are ready to give you the package solution. And it depends on our workshop manager, depends on our design capacity, and it depends on my team performance. We do believe we can offer you the good machine, qualified machine with very competitive price. But of course, the most important is that we just gonna to offer you the qualified machine by this kind of the management. So just trust the LOTOSFORMING. We are a reliable partner for you. Thank you for watching with us, and please don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you. See you.